Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you how I slay my eyebrows. So I'm starting out with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil, and I'm using the color dark brown. With a super light hand, I'm barely flicking the pencil across my eyebrows, so I like to outline the top of my eyebrows first, and then using super light short strokes I fill in the rest of my eyebrow. I don't like to fill in the eyebrow all the way. I think that when you leave a little bit of spaces, it looks more fluffy and more natural. Next, I'm going to go ahead and work on the bottom part of the brow. So this is the line that I like to make the most precise, because that's going to give you that nice sharp crispy brow look. But just take your time with this step and be sure to work with a light hand. The thing that I love most about this brow pencil in particular is the fact that it comes with a spoolie on one side. So it makes it super easy to kind of blend out the color as you're filling in your eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm going to focus on the front of my brow, so I'm making short hair-like strokes going upwards. And then I like to go back and forth between filling in the brow and then using the spoolie to buff it out. So once you carve out the top of your brow and then give yourself a crispy line on the bottom part of the brow, then you're going to go ahead and lightly fill in the inside part and then draw on a few hair-like strokes towards the front of the brow, because this is going to give you that nice fluffy and super full and natural look. Okay, so now I'm going to clean up the area around my brows. I'm using my MAC 242 brush. So to carve out my brows, I like to use this brush with my foundation. I don't like using concealer for this step, only because I feel like it highlights the area too much and it stands out. I think if you use your foundation that you use for the rest of the face, then it helps make more of a seamless transition and you don't have like the floating halo brows. So I just like to take my time with this step. Even though I'm using my foundation, I still don't want any harsh lines, so I'm just using my brush and blending the product in. So I know this seems like a lot, but I definitely don't recommend skipping this step. This is going to help pull your look together and just refine your brows. Now I'm just going back in with my pencil just for a few more touch-ups. When it comes to cleaning up the top part of the brow, I don't add any more foundation. I just use whatever is left over on my brush. This step is really going to help you refine your brow look. It's going to help you create the shape that you want and clean up any mistakes. I also like to take my spoolie one more time and run it through my brows, and then if you comb it through the front and kind of rub out some of the product, that's also going to make your brows look a little bit more natural and more fluffy. Okay, so now I'm going to add some definition and hold to my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel in the color Espresso. So I'm just going to brush this all the way through my brow, just super careful. Just make sure that you are still using a light hand, just because you don't want to disrupt all of that hard work that you just put in carving out your eyebrows. So whenever I'm using this product or even the pencil, I like to work in the direction of the hair, so I'll just switch that up depending on what area of the brow I'm working on, and then when I get to the front I like to work upwards. And then I like to go back through my brow with the second coat and just brush all of my eyebrow hair upwards. This is going to add some volume to your brows and give you that nice fluffy look. And now I'm just going back through with my concealer brush just to touch up any mistakes. And to make sure that my brow stays looking natural, I'm just using my spoolie to comb out the front part of my brow one more time. Alright, one brow done, now let's work on the other one. And now I'm just taking my small flat top brush just to blend out all of the foundation from earlier. I just want to make sure to blend out all the harsh lines. This is going to make sure that my brows look nice and natural. And there you have it, full and fluffy brows. I really hope that this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the love. Thanks for watching.